We all know and love these. Okay.
So what you will need is you're going to need a heavy stabilizer. I cut it out and then I cut my fabric and I used my 505 spray to hold it into place. Then I drew my lines. Don't use a permanent pen. So on the lines
Just
that
a
I
straight
drew,
line?
you will sew a 1/4 of an inch on each end. So I have done this one, if you can kind of see in the center,
Yeah.
that I've sewed it together. Then I boxed the corners. We're gonna sew this. Chris, are you ready?
I am.
You're gonna sew a 1/4 of an inch on both sides.
Okay, so I've got my 2 side seams.
I have my line right here where I sewed. So she is just going to sew on the line that's already there. You have boxed the corners.
And so this is the lining, but you would do the same exact thing for the outer.
Exactly, and I'm gonna put it inside
Oh
my
my
cube
goodness.
like this.